Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Alright, what I'm doing today is, this is going to be my first vlog. It's going to be a weekly posting, and you're going to be going along with me, following me in my garden weekly as everything progresses. You know, I might even go to some nurseries, drive around town here in San Diego. We're in Zone 9 here, Southern California, so there's certain plants that will do better here than others. So you're basically just gonna see the progress, you know, on each video in a chronological order. So what you see will be like a progressive. You'll see the progression, you know, each week, so you'll see it step by step. I'm not going to talk about one specific thing or how to do something. I'm just going to kind of, you know, hang out in the backyard here. So over here I have a compost pile. So, and I did one video before where I had something growing out of it and I didn't know what it was, but you can check out one of my videos. I'll put a link in the description. But this is a potato in my compost pile. Look how healthy that is, and that looks really healthy. So you can watch the other videos about how I make the compost pile, but I put all my food scraps, all the raw food, no just vegetables, fruit, coffee grinds, tea bags, eggshells, and then I mix in leaves. So, but I have two of these potatoes and I'm plants over here, another two more over here. It's popped up in the last week, and these are getting big. So, and this is just growing over concrete. I got some stuff I'm kind of remodeling here. This is all going to be tore out, and it's kind of like a tropical garden backyard here. So I got these tall trees and tropical plants, but this is a lot of this is going to be remodeled, so I'm going to do a planter, you know, right along over there, so I can put like some stuff, you know, along here in like a raised bed planter, instead of having this this little piece of board here. It's a lot of weight, so I need to build something a little more permanent. But so anyway, it's a nice day, nice sunset. Sun's going down in San Diego. You know, as I'll walk through the garden here, these are my peaches, and they had the one plant that had a problem. We had a cold spell, and everything kind of like started dying on it. I don't know, like some of the leaves like died, and now it's coming back. So you can kind of see the new growth. Let's see here. And these, they're really hard as a rock right now, but they're starting to get this color. These, look at that peach. So I've got tons of peaches. And this is called a Florida peach because it was developed in Florida to, you know, grow in a climate that doesn't require a lot of chill hours. Because we're at the coast here, it's not that cold of a climate, but it should do pretty well here. But you don't see a lot of peach trees growing down here at the beach. I'm literally about 4 blocks from the ocean, so we get a lot of overcast. You know, we're gonna get, you know, from the coastal marine layer. So these are, I'm hoping this next year this will come back stronger, because I just planted it a couple months ago. I got it at a nursery, and it was just blooming, the flowers. Each one of these was originally a flower, and it was just had this. I bought it with just the sticks, had no leaves when I bought it. So anyway, my battery is getting low, but this vlog is gonna end pretty soon. So and the sun is going down, but I wanted to start off this vlog and just kind of show you everything here. We got the peppers, jalapenos, the cucumber going up this fence here. Apples. I love the color of these. These are the cabbages. Those are going to be purple cabbages. All my lettuces for making my salads. Have apple. I'll have apples. I love apples. Doing good. Different type of tomatoes. Look how big these are. Let's get a wide shot. So anyway, I think my battery just warned me that it was starting to get low. So I'm probably going to go in the jacuzzi with some Epsom salts for the sore muscles. You can watch a video on Epsom salts I just did yesterday. So anyway, oh, the carrots, you gotta see these. My blood orange tree, this is looking really healthy. I mean, you can just see the leaves. See more carrots. Look at how many carrots are in here. Over here, Scarlet Nantes. Look at that. So it's exciting to see all the different changes every day. So it's always good to be out in your garden in this time of day, especially in Southern California. It's just a lot of it's just good weather. This is what it's all about. If you're gonna be living here, might as well grow your own food if you have a sunny area. So this is like one of the sunniest area of my entire yard is here on this side. So that's where I try to put all the plants. And that's pretty much it. So anyway, hope you like this. I'm gonna do the next vlog probably weekly, so you'll be kind of going along for the ride, you know, seeing what I'm doing, you know, separately from some of my other videos. So my first vlog is completed, and we'll talk to you guys later. And let me know what you guys are growing. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment area. And if you like this, subscribe, and then that way you can kind of see what's going on. And I'm going to be probably, you know, updating, doing my, you know, my weekly vlog and other videos as well. So that's about it. See you guys next time.